back for part 3. Computer is booting up. I had to stop the video for a little bit. So, this thing is so slow. Shit, I gotta update my database. I don't want to do that right at the moment. Yes. Go away. This thing is slow. And there it is. DDRE drive. I got 2 virtual Blu-ray drives, so. But anyways, there we go. It's ready to go. So C drive's got 320 gigs free of a terabyte, and this one's got only a gig, roughly a gig free of a terabyte. So that's why I got the Blu-rays for. Anyway, guys, I'll see y'all later.